We do have some programs which do come top down, and one of the examples would be paperless validation, something we did a few years ago. So validation in the realms of GXP compliance is mandatory. It's a critical aspect in pharmaceutical manufacturing. So validation is everywhere. And validation used to be paper-based until a while ago, until we did implement that digital system, which now allows all manufacturers at all functions to do that in a digital form. Now, that was a top-down approach. So we identified our solution for the network, and then it became a must-do for every manufacturing site to implement that within a relatively short given time. Now, it's not always like that. So again, what I mentioned with the maturity of each individual manufacturing site, some are further, some are less. And so we do have a portfolio of IT solutions for which some of them are perhaps for the more advanced manufacturing sites, and then it's more like a pull system. So they are ready to go for that particular solution, and then they can adopt to implement it, but it's not forced. So those are the two extremes. And then there's another one. So the paperless transformation we talked about, it is also a kind of self-service application. So it's implemented in a GXP compliant way, but it is addressing that sweet spot of sites wanting to move digital with what is still paper-based. And sites can do it at their own speed. And at their own priority. And it's just incredible to see how that is taking off across the network, how sites are just exploding and implementing new forms. And then we see the utilization of these forms. And it's all done by site SMEs themselves in a regulated system, of course, but at the speed and pace that is applicable to that particular site. And some are faster, some are slower, but overall, it's really great to see that digital adoption across the network.